In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photo background easy in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a background, drop in a new one, and export a polished image you can use anywhere. Start by opening a new project in Canva. Choose a canvas size that fits your goal, like an Instagram post or a presentation slide. Or create a custom size if you prefer. Once your blank canvas is open, head to the left sidebar and click Uploads. Bring in your photo from your computer, then drag it straight onto the canvas. You can resize by pulling the corners and double-click to adjust the crop so the subject sits nicely in the frame. With your photo selected, look up to the top menu and click Edit Photo. Choose BG Remover. Canva will analyze the image and remove the background automatically. Give it a moment to process. If any edges look rough or it missed a spot, use the Erase and Restore brushes inside the BG Remover panel to fine-tune the cutout. Zoom in for precision, adjust the brush size for tricky areas like hair, and restore any details that were accidentally removed. When it looks clean, apply the changes. Now your subject is isolated and ready for a new backdrop. To add a simple color background, click on the empty background area of your canvas. A color square appears in the toolbar. Click it, then pick a new color or enter a custom hex code to match your brand. Solid colors keep things clean and professional. And you can quickly try a few to see what complements your photo best. If you want an image background instead, go to Elements on the left. Use the search bar to find a style you like: Sync Studio Wall, City Skyline, or Soft Gradient. Drag the image onto the canvas, then right-click it and select Set Image as Background. This will snap it to the full canvas. If your subject isn't on top, select the cutout and bring it forward using the position controls, so it sits naturally over the new background. You can adjust the background's brightness or blur with the Adjust controls to help your subject stand out, and adding a subtle shadow to the cutout can create a more realistic blend. When everything looks right, do a quick check for alignment and spacing. Then click Share in the top right. Choose Download and select your preferred file type, like PNG for high quality or JPG for a smaller file size. Click Download and you are done. Thanks for watching.